are you? Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys. I swear to God I want to kill him. But yeah, do you like my new backdrop? Okay, I did like an office and everything and all that. But I'll give you an office tour next week, so stay tuned. But today we're here to talk about a really good concealer. I have not tried it yet, but I've heard really good reviews. I watched Holly Boone's video and it was sick, and I had to get, you know, the dark skin version. I'm going to be reviewing the Makeup Revolution concealers. It's the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour concealers, and I actually opened them and I realized that the applicator is huge. It's not as big as Tarte Shapetape's applicator, but it's really big compared to normal concealers, and they actually have it in different shades. The shade range isn't the biggest, but for like a drugstore that's, you know, catering to women of color, I think it's a good step in the right direction. It's decent and it can get better. I think that these shades will match most darker skin tones in terms of highlighting and stuff like that. So that's just my personal opinion, you know. I'll cut people some slack. It's 2018, man, be nice. But yes, we're gonna get started first by applying some foundation, and then so now that my foundation is done, I'm using the Fenty Beauty in 410, and it's doing bits. Even though my skin has been breaking out, I feel like it's really good and covered, but it's not a foundation review, but I love this foundation. So the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour concealers start from C1 to C18. So like I'll take up C14 for you, and I'll swatch it on my arm so you can see that's C14. This one is C16. That's a bit more like a darker chocolate. I can't say chocolatey. Chocolate. Oh. And we have C13. I think C13 would be my highlight color for show. Look how nice it just raw. This is really thick, and it's like, wow, okay. The darkest shade C18, what some people could use for contour. So raw, dude. That's mad. I'm excited. And then we have C15. I'm just like just showing you some of the darkest, some of the color. Okay, where did I put that? Here. I'm just like mixing them all. Do you see that? In total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 color choices. So I'm going to use the lightest one for the under eye highlight. So it's going to be C13, and I'm just taking that out, and I'm just going. This was the perfect choice, and the reason why I match this to my skin is because I'm going off my Tarte Shapetape concealer, and what I'm actually going to do is, as an added bonus, oh, this feels so nice, and it's so full coverage. It's mad. It's mad. It's mad. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Shapetape and put this under the other eye. See, the brush is a bit bigger, but that brush is big too. Just, the Tarte Shapetape is not as smooth as the Makeup Revolution one. This isn't the shade Deep, by the way. It's alright, but I prefer the Makeup Revolution one because I don't feel like it's as bright. And then I'm just going to continue just underneath here with that one. This, guys, dries really quickly. and it's really full coverage. My god, guys, just like Holly Boone said, I'm shook. I am absolutely like shook. Like, I'm shook. I'm gonna blend out the top Shape Tape now. Okay, I'm kind of annoyed that I spent £22 on the Shape Tape when the Makeup Revolution one, yeah, is just as good as this, as the Tarte Shape Tape. That's freaking insane. Like, what the hell? Should we use a darker shade to contour as well? Okay. Why not? Okay. So all in all, yeah, there's not much difference to me. So guys, if you're thinking of buying Tarte, sorry Tarte, but you have competition. You have competition, because this, yeah, is freaking awesome. Let's just take C18, and like I've never done contouring with these before, like with creamy stuff before, but drugstore, yeah, has a dark skin contour shade for people like me. That's mad. Use the e.l.f. one. You know what, yeah? This is actually really nice. Look at that. Oh, man. What? Oh, get rid of the double chin. What are you on about? Guys, I'm so sorry if I have not blended this out properly. I'm just really gassed. Oh my god. This is sick. So I'm going to use C15 to conceal my brows, just to see the power of the concealer. It's so good. It's so thick. I can't believe that this is actually £4. Like, I love it when people step up their game, you know. That was beautiful, wasn't it? Just the way it just happened like that. Making magic. I'm really like happy about this, guys. This is just gorgeous. Okay, now to just set everything. So I'm using the Beauty Bakery. This is the setting powder, and it's in the color yellow. I like this as much as I like my Sacha Buttercup powder. I think I might prefer this a little bit more. I'm not sure yet, but they both are really good. Okay, so I'm gonna let this bake, finish off my makeup, and come back and fill you in on what I think about this product. So guys, I finished the look, and I must say I see no difference. Actually, this eye is a bit more lifted, I feel, compared to that eye. And guess which one is the Tarte and which one is the Makeup Revolution? Obviously, Makeup Revolution, Tarte. This eye seems more lifted to me. I don't know, but I think I've chosen the winner, and I think it's going to be the Makeup Revolution. I am so pleased and so impressed. Bruh, you know what? Let me stop all that, bruh. £4, you know, £4, £4, like from £22 from Tarte to £4. Like you could buy like 5 or 5. 4 divided by 22, it's about 5, innit? Quick maths. Scrap. But yeah, bruh. There is no creasing. It's literally like the same thing. It's matte. It's the same thing, guys. Like, I'm really sorry, Tarte, but you have found competition, because that concealer is absolutely amazing. You get value for your money. There is a shade, like, I personally think the shade range for a drugstore for people of color, I think that should be enough-ish. I think, I'm not sure. It's just, for me, I just see it as concealer that I'm going to use to highlight and do my brows. And I feel like a lot of people of my skin tone, of darker and lighter, will actually find something to actually sort out their skin, and I think that that is such a must buy. It was released in stores, in super drug stores, I think January the 3rd. I wanted to review this so badly, but I was doing my office, so I couldn't. But that is sick. It's mad, isn't it? Like, I recommend this, 100% agree. You guys know I love my cheaper things in life. I just like that one the most. I'm not sponsored to do this video, by the way, it's just my honest opinion, and for £4, great. One con though, when I was putting it on a little bit, my face was a bit tingly, so I'm trying to figure out if I'm allergic, because if I am, I'm gonna be so sad. I hope I don't break out from this, but I'll update you guys. But thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you like it, and I hope that you get your hands on, I keep looking over there because the makeup revolution stuff is just right there. They're on like the top piece of like my display, because I'm actually going to be like reaching for it all the time. But yes, thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Big up on yourself.
Glow my baby, you man in all your life, I need to show my baby.